Hey guys, Mo here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a few things that you should be working on as it pertains to your finances. The very first one is credit card debt. You should be working extremely hard to reduce that credit card debt so that you can then take that money and reinvest it. Another thing would be car payments. I know that you need transportation. You know that you need transportation, but we definitely want to minimize the amount of money we're spending. So if you are in the business of buying a new car, by all means, take in consideration that you need a functional vehicle and possibly not the luxury car that you think that you really would like to have. By getting a functional vehicle, it minimizes the amount that you're spending on a monthly basis for a car. And that money that you have that's extra will be used on investing. The next thing is looking at your trading accounts. Looking at your trading accounts, that is huge for this year. You want to make sure that you are fully aware of what it is that you are trading, how much you have regarding stock, and how that is allocated in each one of your trading accounts. It is time for you to start better understanding exactly what it is that you're investing as it pertains to trading. It's not okay to have stock and not know exactly how they're allocated. Your cash flowing accounts are huge this year too. Make sure that you are looking, you have reviewed with your financial advisor, or if you are working with your partner or with a family or friend, make sure you understand exactly which cash flowing assets you have in your portfolio. It is imperative that you know that so that you can actually start making smart decisions as it pertains to it. Financial pressure. We all have financial pressure. We know people that are actually acquiring more things, more materialistic things, and it does place pressure on us. Or we know that we have wants, not necessarily needs, but we have wants. And those are the things that you want to get for yourself that you possibly don't need or you don't need it right now. Those things lead to financial pressure. Make sure this year in 2023, you're keeping your financial pressure under control. Because if it becomes a bit overwhelming, it does lead to depression and all kinds of other physical and mental ailments. So definitely worry about that. Your retirement account. Make sure that you are looking at your retirement account. Make sure that that account has been reviewed, not only with you, but by a trusted family member. If you have access to a financial advisor, do you want to make sure that you're working with a financial advisor? Because you need to start planning for your retirement if you haven't. And even if you have been in retirement, planning for your retirement, you need to know exactly how those monies are allocated. You need to also understand exactly what can you do now that will definitely save you and make you money in the upcoming years. So definitely work on that. You should also have at least a 4 to 6 month emergency fund. Those are the money set aside that you can use in the event that you lost your job, became ill, there was an extreme need, an emergency need. That's the money that you have allocated. You should have at least 4 to 6 months or more saved. So definitely, if you don't have that in 2023, work on actually creating that nest egg of, or that savings of money that you can use for those things. And then also think about it. I know that many of you are not entrepreneurs at heart, but you have to think about in 2023 your financial independence from your job. I know that you're working 9 to 5. Some of you are working 7 to 7, 6 to 6, day and night. But definitely start thinking about those. How do you make it, or how would you work independently, or how would you make it independently of your job? That will start you to thinking about things that you can actually do, given the talents that you have, the skills that you have, to make money in the event that you don't have your job. You know, we are in a society right now where many companies are laying off or they are cutting back, and we want you to be proactive and instead of reactive. Definitely take a look at that. How can you work independent of your job? These are things that you should be thinking about. Please, by all means, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.